Hello everyone, this is just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you why I love this REXBETI 2-pack utility knife set. So reason number one is they store blades in the handle. Both of them do. Now both of the knives are different. This one comes out. You can do different angles. Be careful, those blades are very sharp. And again, press that button to unlock it and then store it. A belt clip. But this one, even this one has a little storage. Now it only stores 3 blades. Pop it open, be careful. Now the blades store right here. These are extra blades that you will always have with you. That's a really nice feature. I love when you can store blades. Now be careful, the blade is right down there. But again, now to change the blade on this one, open it all the way up. We're going to press the release button. Release it, pull it out. You can flip it around and get that surface has never been used. Slide it, press the button, slide it in. Now you want to get this, make sure that's all the way in. If this is not all the way in, it's not installed correctly. So push it in until that is flush like that. You can also cut rope. And again, it's locked. And you can even lock it into different positions. This one is a utility knife also. It's got storage in the handle. The blades come already installed. We can install looks like about 5 or 6. It does come with extra blades that are already stored there. That's a really nice feature. These knives are out of the box, ready to go. Now, to extend it, press this down. It extends a little bit, extends more. It's locked into place. That's all the way out. Again, I can cut rope there. I could even cut rope when it's all the way retracted. Piece of rope right here. Now to replace the blade, press this button again. Pull it straight out. It has to be all the way out. And then it comes straight out. All right, you can flip it around, press the button. You got to insert it between the metal and this side of the plastic. So push it in, and you want to make sure you get it all. That's not installed all the way. Keep going. Be very careful. There. Now it's installed. That button popped out. You're installed all the way now. It's not going to come out. And when it retracts, it goes all the way in. There's nothing protruding out. This is a metal. There is some plastic here. I mean, it's not all metal. It's very lightweight, but it's very easy to use. And these knives, these utility knives are very sharp, so be very careful. We do get this little container that has some extra knives in it. Now getting this container open, it can be hard to get open, but I see why you can cut yourself just by opening the container. I did have to kind of get a screwdriver here. You're supposed to be able to just press these 2 tabs and then this pops out. Now be careful, those blades are going to be ready to go right there. Those are super sharp. So in theory, you should be able to just press, I guess it's just press one side. I was trying to press both sides. Put it back on, so press one side again. Yeah, it's not the easiest to get off, but you do get a bunch of extra blades. I really do like this utility knife. Hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.